Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do the anonymous question on the Instagram. So right now it's very trending on the Instagram. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the NCR Anonymous and you have to download this application to do this. So I have already downloaded it on my phone, so I simply open it from here and you will see this type of the screen. So simply click on the get question. Right here you have to enter your Instagram ID. You can write any ID, so you can write your own ID here. Once you will do it, click on the continue and simply you can click copy link and paste it on your Instagram story. Once you will do it, on the top you will see inbox. Simply you will see questions right here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.